We all love updates of Premiere Pro, right? They keep changing stuff, I guess, because they just want us to be angry. I don't know. Not every improvement is improvement. So if you're lost because you updated your Premiere Pro and now you don't know how to create opacity mask, which was completely different before and very simple, and now you have to just click, 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 click. To me, that makes no sense, but I'm gonna show you how to do it quickly. So basically, let's say I have a tutorial here and I want to create opacity mask. So I just want to circle my head and just put it somewhere. Previously, of course, you would go to the effect controls and then just click on the opacity options. Here would be the mask, you know, the rectangle, circle, all that. Now, no, you have to go into the toolbar. Under the shape, you can see, if you click and hold it down, object, mask, tool, ellipse, rectangle. So basically the whole thing that you had in the opacity. So you're like, where's the opacity mask? Well, if you want to do rectangle, do the rectangle. If you want to do ellipse, do ellipse. I'm gonna do ellipse right now. So I'm just gonna click ellipse and I'm going to draw a circle, right? And I'm gonna drag it where I want. And as you can see, in the effect controls, because I was clicked on that certain clip, right? Don't forget that, it's important part. Unassigned mask, all of a sudden, ellipse mask 0, 1. How do you actually make this opacity? Because this is now unassigned, so it's not helpful, is it? So you right click on that mask and you click change to opacity mask. And this is what I said that I don't like, because it just makes me click more. Instead of just going to opacity, click on the mask, create a mask, I have to like click toolbar. Why? Why would you do that to us? Anyway, change the opacity mask, and then it immediately goes under opacity. So, and then it just acts like any other opacity mask. So you're welcome, by the way. Use the thanks button to say thank you. And I have a Premiere Pro guide with so many tips and hacks of how to make you faster and how to not to lose your mind. So go check it out, link in the description. I mean, it's a must-have. Like, it's been recently flying off the shelf, so people really want it. You can actually print it out and keep it on your desk. I'll see you next time. To purchase my Premiere Pro PDF guide, just go into the description of this video and click on the link. It takes you to Gumroad, which is a worldwide seller of ebooks. Click on buy this, put your email there, business info, credit card, and the guide will be sent to you automatically in the next email.